A raging wall of water in western Japan. Over 20 people have been left dead or missing, with tens of thousands evacuated as of Thursday after heavy rains caused massive flooding. Some areas of Kumamoto Prefecture saw up to 500 millimeters of rain in less than 24 hours. Evacuation orders have been issued for at least 68,000 people in 2 prefectures alone. The heavy rain also caused landslides, crushing houses in their paths. One man describes what he saw after a landslide hit.
I saw a woman covered with blood escaping from the back door of her house.
The Japanese Self-Defense Force has been mobilized to rescue residents, with forecasters warning of possible tornadoes in some areas. Travis Brecker, Reuters.